talking about favorite food.
Hi, Sarah. What is your favorite food?
Hello, Mike. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is very popular in many countries.
Yes, I love it because it is very delicious.
What kind of pizza do you like the most?
I really like chicken pizza with extra cheese.
That sounds tasty. I also enjoy cheese on pizza.
Do you eat pizza often with your friends?
Yes, we usually eat pizza on weekends together.
That sounds fun and relaxing after a busy week.
What about you? Do you cook pizza at home sometimes?
No, I usually order it from a nearby restaurant.
I understand. Making pizza at home takes a lot of time.
Yes, but I still want to learn how to make it.
I think homemade pizza can taste very fresh and healthy.
That is true, especially with fresh vegetables on top.
Besides pizza, what other foods do you enjoy eating?
I also love noodles, fried rice, and chicken soup.
Those are great choices for lunch or dinner.
Yes, my mother cooks chicken soup very well.
Homemade soup always tastes better than restaurant soup.
I completely agree with you about that.
My favorite food is fried chicken with spicy sauce.
Really? Do you like very spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy food very much.
I like spicy food too, but not very spicy dishes.
That makes sense because some spicy food is too strong.
Exactly. My eyes water when the food is too spicy.
That sometimes happens to me as well.
Do you usually cook at home or eat outside?
I cook at home during the week to save money.
That is a smart idea and probably healthier too.
Yes, eating outside every day can become expensive.
I agree. Restaurant food also has too much oil sometimes.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I often eat eggs, bread, and a banana.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast to start the day.
Thank you. What do you usually drink with breakfast?
I normally drink coffee because it gives me energy.
I prefer tea because it helps me feel calm.
Tea is also very good for your health.
Yes, especially green tea with a little honey.
That sounds delicious. I should try it sometime.
You should. It tastes very refreshing in the morning.
Talking about food is making me hungry now.
Me too. I think I want pizza for dinner tonight.
That sounds like a great dinner plan.
Maybe I will invite my friends to join me.
I hope you enjoy your pizza tonight.
Thank you, Mike. I hope you enjoy your dinner too.
Choosing what to eat.
Hey Lisa, what do you want to eat for lunch today?
Hi, Tom. I am not sure because there are many choices.
That is true. This restaurant has a very large menu.
Yes, and everything looks delicious in the pictures.
Do you feel like eating rice, noodles, or sandwiches?
I think I want something warm and spicy today.
Then maybe you should try the chicken noodle soup.
That sounds good, but I also like fried rice.
The fried rice here is very popular with customers.
Really? Have you tried it before?
Yes, I ate it last week with my brother.
Was it tasty and fresh?
Yes, it was very tasty and the vegetables were fresh.
That makes me want to order it now.
What drink would you like with your meal?
I think I will order iced tea with lemon.
That sounds refreshing on a warm day like this.
What are you planning to order for yourself?
I am thinking about getting a cheeseburger and fries.
That sounds heavy but very delicious.
Yes, I am very hungry after working all morning.
I understand because I skipped breakfast today.
Really? You should not skip breakfast too often.
I know, but I woke up very late this morning.
That happens to me sometimes on weekends.
Do you usually cook at home or eat outside?
I normally cook dinner at home during the week.
That is a healthy and cheaper choice.
Yes, restaurant food can be expensive every day.
I agree, especially in busy areas downtown.
Look at this picture of grilled chicken salad.
Wow, it looks colorful and healthy.
Maybe I should order that instead of the burger.
That could be a better choice for your health.
You are right, but burgers are very hard to resist.
I completely understand because I love burgers too.
Should we also order something sweet for dessert?
Yes, maybe we can share a slice of chocolate cake.
That sounds like a perfect idea to me.
I heard their chocolate cake is very popular here.
Then we definitely need to try it today.
I'm excited about lunch now.
Me too. Everything sounds delicious at this restaurant.
The waiter will probably come to our table soon.
Good, because I am ready to order my food.
I think I finally decided what I want to eat.
Great. What are you going to order?
I will order the fried rice and iced tea.
That sounds like a very tasty meal.
Thank you, Tom. I hope your food tastes great too.
Morning conversation before work.
Good morning, Anna. You woke up very early today.
Good morning, David. Yes, I have a busy day at work.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well because I went to bed early.
That is good. I stayed up too late watching a movie.
Really? You must feel very tired this morning.
Yes, I still feel a little sleepy right now.
Maybe a hot cup of coffee will help you wake up.
I think so too. I already made some fresh coffee.
That smells wonderful. I love the smell of morning coffee.
Would you like a cup before you leave for work?
Yes, please. That would be very nice.
Here you go. I also added a little sugar for you.
Thank you. You always remember how I like my coffee.
Of course, we have worked together for many years now.
That is true. Time goes by very quickly sometimes.
What time do you need to leave the house today?
I need to leave around 7:30 this morning.
That is earlier than usual for you.
Yes, we have an important meeting at the office today.
Are you ready for the meeting with your manager?
I think so, but I still feel a little nervous.
Do not worry. You always do a great job at work.
Thank you for saying that. It makes me feel better.
Did you finish your presentation last night?
Yes, I finished it before dinner yesterday evening.
That is great. Then you can relax a little this morning.
I hope so, because yesterday was very stressful for me.
I understand. Work can become very busy sometimes.
What are your plans for today?
I need to answer emails and finish some reports.
That sounds like a long day at the office.
Yes, but I will probably finish work before 6 o'clock.
That is good, because you need more rest tonight.
You are right. I should sleep earlier today.
Maybe you should avoid watching movies late at night.
That is probably a smart idea for me.
Do you want some toast with your coffee?
Yes, I am feeling hungry now.
I made toast and eggs a few minutes ago.
That sounds delicious for breakfast this morning.
Good. Let us eat quickly before we leave.
Okay. I also packed my lunch for work today.
That is smart, because buying lunch outside is expensive.
Yes, I'm trying to save more money these days.
I should start doing the same thing too.
We can cook dinner together again tonight if you want.
That sounds nice. I would really enjoy that.
Great. I hope you have a successful meeting today.
Thank you, David. I hope you have a great day too.